I made an update video for my VIP group earlier, but I'll make one for Discord. So the Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame here is looking to where we want it to look like it wants to break down. And then it came back up, so now it's looking strong. And right when it started doing this number right here, I'm thinking we're going to come down just because, you know, we're doing lower highs. And it's looking kind of weak here to me. Then sure enough, came down here to our trend line, which is very strong, especially right here. It made it bounce up. It's starting to come up and kind of rolling over. So right now it's kind of being really, really boring. So I think that if we do come down and if we try to come down to this trend line again, I think we're just going to break through it. So pretty much like this right here, where we break through it, possibly come up for a retest and continue down. So right now, for me personally, I don't like how the market's looking, and all these coins, they're coming down. And one second, I just have to be careful with what I show because, you know, I don't want to give all the VIP stuff out because that wouldn't be fair to the VIP members. But we talked about Doge on our YouTube channel, and Doge, since it moved up really, really nice, I'm looking for a reversal, a pullback, and especially with the market looking the way it's looking, we might have it. So yellow circles, aggressive, white circles are safe. And, you know, if we do break this zone right here in beige, then that would be, in my opinion, a good short. And on yesterday's stream, we talked about Moondeg. This one is another, you know, really nice short opportunity just because it moves so much. I mean, it moved like crazy. Look at this. So this would be a really nice, you know, coming down, and it would need to break this level for a safer entry. And of course, in the VIP group, I went over all our coins I'm looking at, all that other good stuff earlier this morning. I do thank you guys very much. Thank you for being part of the Discord. Let people know about the Discord. Let people know that they can join. It's free. We talk about crypto stuff. And then, of course, we can, you know, just discuss whatever else y'all want to talk about. All right. I do thank you guys very much. And just remember, I will never personally reach out to you. No need for me to do that, because if I'm going to talk to you, I can talk to you with everybody watching. I will never reach out to you on Discord. So if y'all are interested in the Discord, definitely jump on in, and we'll see you there. Thank you so much, guys. Talk to you soon. Take care. The link will be in the description as well. The link will be in the description if you want to join. Take care. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.